This is a packet capture file. It records network traffic. It is used by IT pros to sniff out problems. You need Wireshark to view the data stream. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's analyze the traffic. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest CAP files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. The CAP is functionally identical to other members of the data file group. It uses the Wireshark Packet Capture format. A CAP file is a packet capture file created by network analysis tools like Wireshark. It stores raw network traffic data, including headers and payloads, captured during a specific time frame. These files are crucial for diagnosing network issues, analyzing communication protocols, and identifying security threats by examining the flow of data across a network. The CAP format typically adheres to the libcap format, a widely used standard for packet capture. It contains a global header with metadata about the capture and individual packet records, each including a timestamp, captured length, and the actual packet data. Wireshark and other tools can parse and interpret this structure to reconstruct network conversations. The CAP file is widely endorsed for use with Wireshark developed by Gerald Combs. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows presents only minimal context, so full interpretation relies on compatible tools. First, identify the creator. Determine the capture software, e.g. Wireshark, Microsoft Network Monitor, that created the network packet file. Next, use Network Analyzer. Open the file using Wireshark or another network protocol analyzer to view and analyze the captured data packets. Finally, convert to PCAP. If the file fails to open, convert the proprietary .cap format to the universal .pcap format using a conversion utility. Your file corruption should be history. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.